Welcome to Tech Ventures, an initiative by Entrepreneurship Cell IT Bombay and SIGN, Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, IT Bombay, and RSF, Research Scholars Foundation. So let us start this event by me calling upon Nina to explain what the event is going to be about and how are we going to proceed after that. So, Nina. So this event is actually for those guys, for this particular event is for those guys who have an build to start up, but they are waiting for the right idea to click in or the right teammates. So that's why we came across this event and formulated it. So what we are going to do is first the 6 PhD students will come and pitch their ideas in front of you all. And what you guys have to do is understand the ideas and think how they can be commercialized. So after the event, we'll be giving you questionnaires. You have to fill them and how you comprehend that idea, how you want to commercialize it. So that the questions will be there in the questionnaire. You have just think about on that lines while they are pitching and ask questions if you have any. We will be giving 5 minutes to the presenters. And after that, 10 minutes will be given for question answers. So during that time, you can ask questions, or after all the pitches have been made, you will be given time for asking questions. And after that, we'll be having a networking session based on the shortlisted students. So let me first call upon Nihal to give his pitch.
I'm tech second year, mechanical design. So basically I have brought an idea which involves robotics. Now whatever we have thought about in robotics, I just want to head count that how many people are interested in robotics or are involved with robotics. So quite a few number. Now basically whatever we have seen in robotics, people are involved with RoboCon. They take part in many TechFest competitions, but these robotics, whatever we are developing, it just stays with the academics, till the academics, or it goes with the defense. But there is no, since robotics, which has started from past century, it has not yet come to the common masses, where we can apply the robotics, or whatever we have developed. It hasn't been commercialized enough to come to the common masses, and help those people for which this stream was started. So now, basically, what I want to do is that I want to bring this technology, the robotics, bots, to the common masses. Now, how am I going to do it? I think so. Can everyone see the picture? So, I just give a way that how I will be solving a problem. Now, to make a bot for common masses, so that it should be first cheap, so that common people can afford it, and second, it should be multitasking. Just एक function करेगा तो ऐसा नहीं कोई खरीदेगा नहीं. So it should be able to do multitasking. Now for that, what my conception is that if I make a bot, just one bot consisting of different bots which come together. Now if there is one bot, I call it the main bot. Now if a user gives a function to the bot, that let's take for an example that I have to clean this platform. cleaning, grooming first, dusting, and then cleaning it with cleaning it with water or wet cloth. So for that, now these are the two functions. So these are the two functions. So if we consider first, so if I have to make a bot, it can't be that it will require two bots to complete that function, or one bot has to complete it in a series way. Now I was thinking, if we make 2 or 3 bots out of it, which can do it in a parallel way of communication. So if I give a function that cleans this platform, for instance, so I've just given clean to the bot. Now the bot disintegrates into various other bots. Now let's show it. So in these bots, there will be one host which will, it's like parallel computing. There will be one host which will decide that which bot should get which functions. Now, for instance, if it breaks into 2 bots, because this is a simple task. So if it breaks into 2 bots, so first host bot will decide that the first bot will do the grooming of the platform, and second bot will do the mopping. So after this, when the functions, so it will happen in a parallel way, and again these 2 bots will assemble together and form the same bot again. So this is the conceptual idea behind what I am presenting. Now, if we think about the applications, this is just a concept. So if we think about various applications, where can it be used? So I was thinking, like right now I explained a cleaning bot. In household systems, if you take a household maid, you are giving around 500 to 1,000 rupees per month. So if you are shelling out 1,000 rupees per month, and if I make the bot which consists of less than rupees 10,000, so if you see a graph of finances, later on what I get to see is that what I am using, it is giving me profit after some time. It will take recharging, but some units per day is quite meager, consisting of, instead of whatever household maid we will be hiring. So one is our type of defense bot. Now in defense bot, you have to track mines. First it was like a metal detector. Now these systems don't apply because plastic cells have come. But if let's take a small example, like you have to track mines in a field. So first it used to happen that only one bot used to go, it used to check in a serial way. Now instead of that, if I am giving function just to one bot, it breaks down into different bots and it does the job in a parallel type of way. So it would consume less time. I am giving just one function, but many other bots are doing the work. So in lesser time, it's like type of multitasking that my job is being done. So now people will ask that why I should present this idea, what are my skill sets? So why I should stand on this podium and present an idea, and why people should work under me or with me. So I'll just discuss my skill sets. That I was involved in my BTech college. I was involved with Bahar 2010. 2011 I was the design head. 2011 FSA, Formula FSA, where you have to make a Formula car. It took place in Chennai. So this also I participated in many robotic competitions. I was involved with Robotic in my first year. Also I have conversant with other CAD and CAE softwares like CATIA, SolidWorks, Pro, ANSYS, etc. Now the miracle makers are the dream team which I am thinking about. So how would I bifurcate the team? I want a team. First of all, I will discuss the technical aspects of the team. Now I have written here computer programming. It's a very vast, vague thing which I have written. Computer programming in the sense I want a person who is conversant with electronics and the programming of a microcontroller. Nothing, because algorithms should go into it. Though we are just using a small microcontroller, the algorithms which are going into it would be complex. Mathematical aspects would be complex, figuring out each and everything. So any person who is conversant with electronics as well as coding, that is what I wanted to say. And second is, now we are thinking about different mechanisms, because just if you consider grooming also, there is one mechanism involved in grooming or mopping in the sense. So a person who is interested, I'm not saying is very good, but who is interested in kinematics and dynamics of any mechanism, he can contact you. Now, these are the basic fundamentals which are there. A person should be enthusiastic, because this idea is little difficult to say, but so a person should be enthusiastic. Second, which I have written is questioning. Questioning in the sense, भाई ये क्यों हो रहा है? यानी अगर मैं इसको ऐसी तरह से देखूँ तो means different. He should have different sort of ideas. If I'm seeing it from a point of view, he should have a different point of view. He should have a different idea कि मैं ये अलग तरीके से कर सकता हूँ. I'm optimistic. And one more was that he should be skilled in communication. Now, every team member should have the whole knowledge of what the process is going on. He should be able to, if any team member has been called any time, if he has to discuss. So he should be such that he should be able to communicate the idea correctly to any person, any random person who doesn't have any sense about robotics. Because you can't say that who will be our customer. You can't say at this stage of the project. And thank you. And these are our contact details if anyone wants to take it. Yeah.
So for now we have given the abstract idea to you all. So if you if you are interested in this, so you can think about how it can be commercialized and how do you present the team. We have a question answered. If you have any questions, okay.
Yeah, break up into two other pods. Now, for instance, what initial conception I had in mind was